good one. I'll be quiet. I'll be speaking on respect and obedience to school rules and regulations. As students in school, you are not only to learn from academics, you are also here to learn from essential life skills. And one of the skills that you need is ability to respect and obey rules and regulations. Because anywhere you find yourself, whether here in local or in Morocco, anywhere, there are rules that guide people. So we must learn how to obey rules, respect people, and ensure we do what is right at all points. First and foremost, when we have rules in place, we have rules in place to ensure that we have a safe, conducive, and respectful environment for everyone. It's just like a guide that enables you to find a way for your path in school without any form of bullying in any form. If there's no law, then maybe I can just decide to do anything I like. I can smash something on your head. If I so feel, that would make me right. But no, I'm not allowed to do that. We must need to obey rules and regulations because we all have rights. And again, we must have respect for people's joy. We are wired differently, we are made differently. Some people are growing up, some are fast enough, some are great athletes, some are great people as well. It's different ways. So we must respect that, whether in terms of background or religion, we must be sure that we respect people for who they are. Their uniqueness is very important. Again, it's very important that we consider the idea of being, respected and obedient to school and regulations, so that we can form a kind of habit of accountability and responsibility and individual. Because in this society where there is no rules, there will be panic and chaos. And when there's chaos, anybody just does whatever they like. It can be like the society called Barbarian. It's a talk in thousands. Why? Because everybody talks, nobody listens. So in this program like this, let's ensure respect ourselves. Whenever you teach us to the class, try as much as possible to do it. If you are not able to, if you are not obedient to the teachers, to the schools, if you must be popular, you will be obedient. You will not be respected to your coach. So it's very important that we learn how to respect ourselves and ensure that we respect schools and regulations. So by doing so, we'll be able to build a community where we are all feeling valued, respected, and we can cultivate that peace where all of us can achieve great. So, thank you.